Keyword research is a critical step in creating content that resonates with your audience and ranks well on search engines. It's all about understanding the language your target audience uses when they're searching for the topics you cover. Greetings, digital pioneers. Welcome back to AIToolsCorner, your beacon in the vast cosmos of content creation. Today, we're setting sail on an epic odyssey into the heart of VidIQ, a tool forged in the fires of innovation to catapult your YouTube channel into new galaxies. If you're a content creator yearning to illuminate your channel in the crowded constellation of YouTube, you've docked at the right space station. VidIQ's keyword research is your trusty co-pilot, fine-tuning your keyword strategy to ensure your videos reach the right audience. VidIQ's keyword research is your trusty co-pilot, fine-tuning your keyword strategy to ensure your videos reach the right audience. But before we blast off, let's unravel the mystery of keywords. These are the cryptic terms that viewers use to search for content on YouTube. By aligning your video title, description, tags, captions, and subtitles with the right keywords, you can guide YouTube's algorithm to understand your content and beam it to interested viewers. Imagine you're crafting a video about the much-anticipated game GTA 6. The keyword GTA 6 is the beacon that gamers will likely follow to discover content related to this game. Keywords come in various forms. 1. Natural keywords, like GTA 6. 2. Paraphrased keywords, like New Grand Theft Auto game. 3. Human-centric keywords, not robotic ones, like upcoming GTA game. Identify your niche. You're a tech channel that covers news and updates about AI advancements. Your target audience is tech enthusiasts who are excited about Google Gemini. Brainstorm initial keywords. Possible search terms your audience might use could include Google Gemini release date, Google Gemini features, Google Gemini updates, and Google Gemini news. Use keyword research tools. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or VidIQ to find related keywords like Google Gemini AI, Google Gemini updates, or new features in Google Gemini. Check how often these words are searched and how their popularity has changed over time. Analyze the competition. Look at the top-ranking content for your Google Gemini keywords. What are they doing well? Maybe they have exclusive interviews or early access news. Can you offer something unique like in-depth analysis or predictions? Choose your keywords. Based on your research, select your target keywords. It's not just about getting traffic but about getting the right kind of traffic. So, you might choose Google Gemini AI features or Google Gemini release date predictions. Create your content. Now, craft your content. Seamlessly weave your keywords into your content, titles, meta descriptions, and tags. For example, your video title could be predicting the Google Gemini release date and your description could start with "In this video, we'll explore the anticipated features in Google Gemini." Monitor your results. Use analytics to gauge your content's performance. Are you ranking for your target keywords like Google Gemini AI or Google Gemini release date? Are you attracting the right audience of excited tech enthusiasts? Now, let's spotlight VidIQ. Here's your backstage pass. Select your target keyword, for instance, VidIQ. Let VidIQ reveal the optimal version. Weave your keyword magic. Infuse your chosen keyword into titles, descriptions, tags, captions, and subtitles. Remember, keyword research is an ever-evolving dance. As trends shift, audiences grow, and algorithms spin, VidIQ is your steadfast dance partner, ensuring your videos take center stage in the search results. You can use VidIQ and get install in your mobile phone or free Chrome extension on your browser as well. If you are using free VidIQ, it have limited options. You can buy its Pro or Boost version to improve YouTube viewership. In addition, you can get a 50% discount for 2 months as well by using promo code AIToolsCorner. Link is in the description below. That concludes our cosmic journey for today. If you enjoyed this backstage tour of VidIQ's magic, show some love with a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. If you're new here, welcome aboard. Drop your future topic requests in the comments. Your wish is my command. Thanks for joining us, creators. Until next time, keep crafting those keyword symphonies. See you in the next galaxy.